Hi, hello, good morning, good day to everyone watching. I'm doing a voiceover in this video. I just thought to be able to explain what is really happening in this video. In this cake tutorial video, I just showing especially beginners how I was able to cover this cake. It was a very simple cake. It was a rush hour 9 minutes kind of order. I didn't plan it. A friend of mine just pleaded and begged, please can you make a cake for my son? It's really urgent and he needs a cake. So I was like, all right, I'll pull it off. So here I first, after baking, I stacked it by putting icing, and then I crumb coated it, put it back in the fridge, and then I now started icing again. I think they wanted a blue cake, so I covered it first, and then covered it with the second layer of icing, and then I put this gold balls, and then you can see these silver leaf. I used it to cover the edges, make them look beautiful. This is the semi-finished look, and then here I started decorating it with the balls, normal balls. In Nigeria, this is the type we usually get. So there's the smooth one or the rough one, but this particular blue one is the smooth type. So I didn't have it the time to go around to source for stuff to decorate this particular cake, but I had these balls in the house, so I just figured out I could use them since they wanted a blue cake. And I just said, let me do it blue and silver, or teal and silver. So that's me putting the balls, trying to arrange it to ensure that it gives a beautiful flow. So the balls are fitting in nicely. That's me checking and looking and ensuring that everything is well placed and looks nice. So it was a really simple cake. So this is normal balls, tiny balls that are edible. The bigger balls are not edible, but these ones I'm placing on this video right now. These ones are edible. They're edible balls. So I used it to create a kind of a flow. If I had gone to source for stuff or for decorating items for decorating this cake, I would have gotten smaller balls so that there would be a flow. But since this was what I was working with, what I had in the house, like I said, it was a 9 minutes order, like the night before, and then the next morning I had to deliver it. So I baked the cake that same night and then decorated the next day. In fact, I decorated and left it because I had to be at a place. My children went to deliver it to the lady. That was how it was. So this is it. Turned out beautiful, simple, fine, but beautiful. So that's it. I think I had to make it look fine. I think I added this silver kind of chains. They are not edible, down, like a border down, to make it look, to pump up the look, to give it a better look. So, and then we added the cake topper in silver as well, just to complement the look and to carry on the theme of the cake, which is silver and blue. And that's the cake. It turned out fine, and inside was delicious. She was surprised that I could pull up the delivery of the cake as fast as I did. My kids delivered. She liked it. She loved it. That's it in the fridge. Left it in the refrigerator, and it hardened up so that it was okay. So that's it. Please like, share, subscribe.